Father of 7 years old girl found dead inside a cooler. It don't come out, can't speak, it can't tell us wetin really happen. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your location. Thank you so much to my subscribers. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to click on the subscription button and then click on the bell icon so that whenever we bring you the latest gist, you'll be among the first person to view it. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's roll it. Grieving father of the 7-year-old girl who was found dead in a cooler has narrated how he found out about his daughter's demise. The heartbroken father, identified as Fadere Oluwashola, revealed that his daughter Demilade was killed after she was sent on an errand to buy pap. This is what he said. Her mother sent her to go buy pap as she was preparing moi moi for breakfast in the morning. The woman who sells the pap said only one remained, so she directed Demilade to another place. On getting to the other place, they also directed her to another place. So my daughter said that she needs to go and tell her mom before she went to the other place, as it was very far. One little girl told me that she saw my daughter with someone wearing a brown top, and she began to call her, but the person took her to the building beside my house. I called my friend in Ekiti to help me conduct house search around the area. My colleague said when they got to the house where my daughter would later found, the owner of the house was sitting on a white plastic chair outside and said his wife had taken the key to work. At a point, I felt my daughter's presence around that house at night, and I began to ask myself if I was okay. I noticed flashlights from the suspected house, but my mind did not just go there. After our search, it seems the suspect reported himself to the police because when I returned the next day, one of his uncles told me to go to the police station. Late Damiloda's father said. When I got to the police station, one of my friends showed me the photo and I began crying that they've killed my daughter. I never knew that they killed my daughter close to my house. I felt kidnappers in need of ransom had caught her. I did not know she has been killed for ritual purpose. My God, the suspect who the police arrested is my next door neighbor. We share a fence. Now waiting the man, they come out, they talk with that. Next door neighbor. They actually killed this girl for ritual. A pastor. The pastor killed this girl for money ritual. What is really happening? What did they happen for this our world? What did they really happen? What did they really happen? The man even say na kidnappers kidnap the daughter. Say they go call her later, ask for ransom, return in Pekin. Not knowing that, say na him next door neighbor na kill him. And he said when he went to the house that he saw the man sitting outside on a plastic chair. Say he felt the daughter's presence. Who knows, the daughter might still be alive by then. Instincts, sometimes follow your instinct. Yes, sometimes our instincts are always right. If he had stayed and insisted that no, may he stand there, may he go, say his daughter dey here, who knows, the girl might still be alive. This is a very sad one, but seriously, this is our world of today. I'm not condemning anybody, but our world of today, I don't think it is right to send a child out to buy something. With the way things are, with the year of rituality, the year of kidnappers, rapists, raping children, I don't think it is right. Why not go yourself, or you go with your children? If you want to go and get something, I think before you go send Pekin out, at least for you to be able to send a child out, the child should be around that 13, 14, 15, between 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know about you, but I don't think I'll feel comfortable sending a child like that out. A child that is not yet 15. May God help us. Not only God, I know everything. May God help us. This is a very sad one. A very, very sad one. The pikin just died just like that. Was just killed just like that. Just like that. This is very sad. May her soul rest in peace. This is very sad. Guys, leave your comments in the comment section.